Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. If you're running a photography website or any type of blog with lots of images and videos, then Pinterest will be an important source of traffic for you. And you might be already aware of it. So while creating a profile on Pinterest, you sometimes need to verify your websites if you are adding a website. So if you do that, Pinterest will help you know more about your visitors using their own analytics, which is called as Pinterest Analytics. You'll also be able to participate in their ad program and plan a strategy to grow your website traffic from Pinterest. So to do this, you need to follow some simple steps, starting with making your own Pinterest account as a business account. So log into your Pinterest account, click on the drag and drop menu option, click on add a free business account. Now click on get started. You need to set up your business profile here. So enter your business or brand name in this box. In my case, it's Digital Sun City. Tick mark the box besides yes and write website URL in this box. Now select the country and the language, then click on next. Now from the drop down menu list, select the focus point of your brand. Various options are available here. In my case, I am selecting education. Again click on next. Now check marks the box besides any recommendation that describes your brand. I am selecting consumer goods, products or service. Then click on next. Now choose the option here as per your own needs. I am selecting no, I am not planning to advertise for now. And then click on next again. Now select where you would like to start from sharing ideas, growing your audience or showcasing your brand. Let's share the ideas, so click on it. Now click the next option and at last click on take a tour. Again click on next here. Now again click on this drop down menu and you'll see two accounts here. Click on your new business account. Now this screen displays details related to your profile. So if you want to edit those, click on edit profile. Now on the left hand side you can see this option claim, so click on that. You can see your website's URL here. So let's claim our website's URL. And now it will display two methods that you can use to claim your website, HTML tag or HTML file. This is basically the verification which you are doing. So we are choosing the HTML tag option because it is easier. However, you can also download the HTML file and upload it to your WordPress roots directory using FTP client or your cPanel, whatever works for you. So to do this, I'm using the tag method. So I'll copy this tag. And now I have to add this in my WordPress website. So in my WordPress dashboard, I'll go to SEO and I'll click on social. Now from the various tabs here, I'll click on Facebook and you need to make sure that open graph settings are enabled. Now click on Pinterest and in the Pinterest confirmation box, please paste that HTML tag that we copied earlier. And now click on save changes. Once the HTML tag is added to your website's header section, you need to go back to the Pinterest screen and click on next button in the pop-up. It will now ask for your confirmation to send your website for review. So click on submit. Now normally this process takes up to 24 hours and then you'll get an email about the verification of your own WordPress website. Once it's done, you'll also be able to see the confirmation on the claim website section in Pinterest where we clicked earlier. Now after verification, you can use Pinterest tools like analytics, ads, programs and more. You can also add a Pinterest pin it button on your blog images as well. So this was a small tutorial about how you can verify your WordPress websites on Pinterest.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.